hope you like that short video. Okay, today, never pay again. This new AI video gen is free, unlimited, and better. ByteDance, the powerhouse behind TikTok, has unleashed a game-changing AI tool that's making waves in the world of image and video generation, and it's going to head-to-head with OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0. If you have been swept up in the excitement of ChatGPT 4 image generation, especially with the viral Studio Ghibli style trend, you are probably aware of its limitations, particularly for free users. With the ChatGPT 4.0 free plan, you are capped at just 2 images per account and video generations. That's locked behind a paywall. But ByteDance is shaking things up with their AI tool, Dreamina, offering free, unlimited image and video generations with no need for multiple accounts. To make the most of it and avoid any pitfalls, stick with me through this guide. Don't rush to sign up just yet. There is a trick to access the unlimited credits, and I will walk you through step by step. If you're looking to cash in on AI, I've got a free document on making money with using AI prompts. Just like this post, subscribe and comment. I want the free document to get it. Let's dive in now. Dreaming is a standout in the AI world, delivering jaw-dropping 2K images without any upscaling nonsense. Unlike ChatGPT 4.0, which relies on its own technology, Dreamina is powered by the ByteDance cutting-edge AI model. To get started, search for Dreamina online and click the first link. Don't worry, I will drop that link in the below description. You can check it out. Once you land on the interface, you will notice that video and AI avatar generators are labeled as beta for most users. But hang tight, because I'm gonna show you how to unlock these features for free. First, let's take a peek at the community post on the platform. Look at the images, these are stunning. A T-Rex sipping Coca-Cola, a slick AI influencer, and other vibrant creations that scream quality. These are not your average AI-generated visuals. They are crisp, detailed, and ready to impress. You can also hop into the canvas editor to tweak your images, giving you control over the finer details here. Let's create something. Head to the create section where you will see options for resolutions like a 1K for standard and 2K for high quality. For this demo, let's generate an image of dog running on an ice. Select the latest image model, Cream 3.0. Choose the 2K resolution and set the dimensions to 16:9. Hit generate. And in a moment you will see a crystal clear image complete with the realistic reflections on the ice. The results are impressive with no upscaling needed here. I tested few variations, and while most of them nailed the prompt, 1 or 2 had some minor hiccups, but the quality, it still held up. Dreamina also lets you to transform the existing images. Upload some photos here and adjust the intensity and say turn it into a 2D style. Look at the result. A polished, professional looking image that reveals anything ChatGPT 4 can produce. I tried applying a Studio Ghibli style on this image, and while it used the Cream 2.0 instead of 3.0, the outcome was solid, capturing the whimsical vibes here. For consistent character, go back to the custom reference section, select the character and save your settings and generate new scene with the same figure. And it's not perfect with the Cream 2.0, but the upcoming 3.0 update should smooth things out. Check it out. Text rendering is another area where Cream 3.0 really shines well. I generated a text-heavy image and the typography was sharp and readable, a step above the ChatGPT 4 efforts. The difference between the Cream 2.0 and 3.0 is just night and day. 3.0, it delivers a hyper-realistic visual that makes you do a double take Now, let's talk about the video generation. The video generator and the AI avatar features are in beta. But here's the secrets to access them for free. You will need a VPN to bypass the regional restriction. Search for a VPN like a NordVPN or any other free Chrome extensions from the Chrome Web Store and install that, and then connect to an African server, and even Nigeria it works well. Once connected, refresh the Dreamina page, sign up with a fresh Gmail account, and you are boom in. After registering, switch over your VPN to a UK server, refresh again, and the video and avatar generator should be accessible now. I tested this with a simple text prompt for a video using the Seaweed Alpha Video 2.0 Pro model and set the camera to the zoom in, and the results were stunning, high quality, and video it generated in about 5 minutes. No credits needed here. I also tried an image-based video uploading a photo with no prompt at all, and the AI still produced a very decent clip, proving its versatility. The AI avatar feature is where things get really fun. Upload your character image, choose text-to-speech or upload a voice, and type what you want the avatar to speak. I went with a simple saying, "How are you doing? Subscribe to the World Out message." And the output was smooth and lifelike thing. For even better quality, you can tweak the settings like master mode for adding some effects. ByteDance has clearly poured the resource into making Dreamina a powerhouse, and it shows the ability to generate unlimited 2K images and videos for free. While ChatGPT 4 image generation is impressive, it's too image limited and lack of the free video tools, you can't compete with Dreamina accessibility and the output quality. To sum up, ByteDance Dreamina is a serious contender delivering high quality with an unlimited AI generated content that is perfect for TikTok creations and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for the free money making AI document prompts. Stay tuned for more AI tips. Happy creating!